Good morning, students. Today we are going to start the first chapter of our 12th class, that is Fundamental of Partnership. All the best for your 12th standard partnership. We know that there are lots of problems in the sole trader. For example, capital, controlling and risk taking capacity and other general limitations are there in the sole proprietorship. After the limitations of sole proprietorship, in 1932 we started partnership. Partnership is a relation of mutual trust and faith. It is necessary that the partnership accounts are maintained as an honest, accurate and equitable manner. Partnership account should present a true or fair picture of partnership business. In 1932, the Act of Partnership is 1932. Section 4 of the Indian Partnership Act 1932 defines partnership is an agreement between two or more persons who have agreed to share profits of a business carried on by all or any of them acting for all. The partnership is the relationship between two or more persons. These definitions characterize the features of the partnership. Number 1, there must be at least two persons. At least two persons. There must be an agreement. Agreement may be verbal or may be written. If the agreement is in written form, then it will create your partnership deed. Number 3, there must be a business because we have done an agreement to share future profits of a business. Business means if you are purchasing clothes, sales must be of clothes. Means same nature business, purchases and sales of same product. Number 3, we are agreed to share future profits. If you are doing study, then your goal must be, then you will get good marks. Then this is your profit. Carried on by all or any of them acting for all means if A, B, C are partners, carried on by all. If A is doing accounts work, B is doing computer work, and C is doing marketing work. Carried on by all or any of them acting for all means we have decided that A will do all the work and we will give him extra remuneration to that person. That is called carried on by all or any of them acting for all. Number 3, there must be a relationship between principal and agent. Every person is responsible for the work done by other person. For example, A, B, C. A is responsible work done by B and C. B is responsible for work done by A and C. And C is responsible for work done by A and B because they are principal as well as agent of the partnership firm. There must be some rights of partners. Number 1, each partner has right to share future profit and losses with other partners in an agreed ratio. Ratio is already mentioned in the agreement. If nothing is given about ratio, there must be an equal proportion. Each partner has right to take part in conduct of business. You cannot. कहाँ से किया? Right से. Right of a partner. Each partner has right to share future profit and losses with other partners in an agreed ratio. Ratio is already mentioned in the partnership deed. If ratio is not given, the ratio must be equal. Every partner has right to take part in conduct of business. Number 3, every partner has right to be consulted. Every partner has right to be consulted कि आप उससे suggestion लें, आप उससे consult करें. Every partner has right to watch and have the copy of accounts. Every partner has right कि he or she can watch the accounts or he can keep a copy of that account. Number 5, every partner has right to disallow the admission of any partner without the permission of all partners. Admission is not possible. Every partner is a joint owner of that partnership property. If partnership firm has purchased any property, then property will be mutual. Every partner has equal right on that property. If any partner has given any loan to the partnership firm, he or she has right to charge interest at the rate of 6% per annum. If any partner has incurred any type of expenses on behalf of firm, he has right to cover that expenses. Every partner has right to return after a proper notice. If firm has taken loan from the firm, then he has to return that after the notice. Now, what is Limited Liability Partnership Act? Limited Liability Partnership means partnership formed and registered under LLP Act 2008. Partnership Act is 1932 and Limited Liability Partnership Act is 2008. Nature of LLP. LLP is a body, corporate formed and incorporated under this act. It is a legal entity. LLP has perpetual successions, means members may come, members may go, but the company or LLP goes on forever till the date of winding up. After the date of winding up, LLP will be closed. What is the difference between LLP and partnership firm? Partnership Act is 1932 and LLP Act is 2008. Registration of partnership is optional, whereas registration of LLP is mandatory according to Companies Act. Partnership creation is by an agreement and LLP is always created by law. The birth of LLP is by law and the winding up of LLP is also by law. Partnership body corporate cannot become a partner. Any body or BOI, body of individuals, or AOP, association of person, can become the partners of LLP. Partnership is not separate from the partners or LLP is separate from the partners. Partnership does not have any legal perpetual succession, but LLP has the separate legal succession. In partnership, there must be minimum 2% and maximum 50. LLP minimum 2 but maximum no limit. Firm cannot own any assets. Members have equal right on the partnership assets. The LLP has an independent entity and can have their own assets. The partnership liability is unlimited, whereas the liability of the members in LLP is limited according to their share. Now, what is partnership deed? Since partnership is the outcome of an agreement, but agreement may be verbal, may be written. When the agreement is in written form, then it is called partnership deed. Everything is mentioned in the partnership deed, means content of partnership. Number one, there must be written as name and address of the firm, name and address of partners, nature of business, amount contributed by each partner. If word contribution is given, entered, introduced, commenced, brought, these all are the names of your capital. What is the rate of interest on drawing? What is the rate of interest on capital? Personal, household, domestic. These all are the name of drawings. What is the rate of interest on drawing? What is the profit sharing ratio? What rules are regarding salary? What treatment will be done of goodwill? Either amount is paid yearly or half yearly. What are the methods of accounts? Either we are doing cash basis accounting or accrual basis accounting. Is you are going to audit the partnership accounts or not? What is the commencement date? And what are the rules regarding Garner versus Murray rule? Garner versus Murray means Garner, Murray and Wilkins are three partners. Wilkins become insolvent and Garner and Murray decided that they will continue the partnership firm. After that, the rule became Garner versus Murray rule. You can also find this rule on the Google. This is the name of Garner Murray rule. If the firm is going to introduce this rule or not. What is the rules regarding at the time of admission, at the time of retirement, at the time of death, dissolution of partnership firm, how we will settle the disputes and what is the rules regarding settlement of disputes, and what rules are applicable in the absence of partnership deed. If partnership deed is not given, then these rules will be applicable in chapter number fundamental, goodwill, admission, retirement, death and dissolution. In all partnership firm, these 8 rules will be applicable in the absence of partnership deed. Number 1, profit sharing ratio will be equal. No interest on capital will be allowed. No interest on drawings will be given. No any salary, bonus, commission or any other remuneration will be given. No admission without the permission of all partners. Every partner can participate in the business. Every partner can watch the accounts books and can keep a copy of accounts. If any partner has given loan to the partnership firm, interest on loan will be charged at the rate of 6% per annum. This is your first topic and you have to learn all the topic on daily basis. Next, in our next lecture, we will start the practical portion of partnership fundamental. Thank you, students.